Hi there, it's George here, and today I'm very excited to show you my Magnolia tree update, which I grow from seed. In the past I grow this Magnolia tree from seed, and Lynn, the said plants of Avalon on YouTube, she gifted me seeds, and from that seeds a few magnolias germinated, and from that magnolias this remained. You know, but grow beautiful, and about 80 centimeters it have. That's it, so beautiful looking. And but anyway, something missing. Anyway, I managed to grow this beauty from seed, and look at this leaf, how beautiful is it. And something was missing, and we added some fertilizer, and we sprayed against fungus, pests, stuff like that. And now Magnolia looking better. It has missing iron, stuff like that on the leaves. If you notice, a little bit yellow, but anyway, it is a big accomplishment for me to grow from seed and grow already so much. 80 centimeters is good, and there I have sunny all day, but now are clouds, and but no rains, and we'll see when it will rain. You know, it's very dry and hot, so sometimes I spray Magnolia on the leaves with water. It needs humid air, that's it. And a few minutes ago I sprayed, and already the leaves dried, no any drop of water on the leaves, But so looking the leaves large, and very happy about that. And on the stems looking great. Just I heard that Magnolia tree does not love to cut branches. I never cut, so looking growing itself, without much care. But anyway, we have to take care to spray at the time, to water, because it's climate change, no rains. That's it in my case, and overall I think. But so special in Moldova, just it's everything dried, the grass. Look at the garden, and so happy that at least this Magnolia tree looking better now, and growing more and more huge, and we'll see when it will bloom in a few years. I think it needs at least 7 years, and if we're growing from seed, need to wait a lot of time. And my garden is beautiful. We take care to water at the time. And look what we have there, blackberries getting ripe, awesome. And plum trees, as you can see here, with fruits. Now we're getting clouds, but no rain, so everything looks dried. But if we water, just we keep these plantations alive, including the Magnolia tree, which is very beautiful. Yep. I'm gonna show you first update on my banana plant. Yep, here we go. Look at the baby banana plant, how much did grow in this summer. In the beginning of the summer started to grow this baby, and you know what? The mother plant, which was in bloom, died and did not make any fruits, because was without leaves and has no photosynthesis. Anyway, so we sprayed the banana too against some pest, fungus, stuff like that. As you can see, the tomatoes we sprayed. Everything need to spray to keep health, And here we have a cucumbers plantation, as you can see here. The harvest, look at it. We had more, and in bloom yet. And also we have tomatoes in bloom, which is beautiful and inspiring to grow something if it is climate change anyway. Here is the Musa Orinoco, looking better now, and growing leaves more fast. And let me show you the fig tree. As you can see how tall it grow, Beautiful, but no any fruits, but maybe next year. And here we go, a quince tree. As you can see, I have 2 trees. They are brilliant. Write in the comments how I improved my English. From the beginning, you know, I did not speak so well in English, but I improved, I think. Look at the leaf, so big is it? Awesome. Well, hope you enjoyed the magnolia tree, which I show you beautiful, and hope it will grow better and better and will bloom, and I will make special video when it will bloom. That's it. Thanks for watching to the end. That really means a lot for my channel. And greetings from Moldova. Hit the notification bell if you want to get the notification when I post new videos, and you can subscribe to my photography channel. Link is in the corner and in description. Bye bye.